Hello everyone, welcome to Team Mercado's vlog. For today's video, we will be talking the full details of the home care worker pilot program na bubuksan ngayong March 31, 2025. So, the government of Canada has finally released the complete details nung nakaraang linggo of home care worker pilot program of 2025. In this video, we will talk about the full details. Sa previous videos ko kasi, hindi pa yon ang full details. But dito, nandito na talaga ang complete recados, sabi pa. So on March 31, 2025, government will officially accepting applicants or accepting applications for the home care caregiver pilot program. Program po na ito ay may dalawang streams. Ito po ay ang home child provider at ang ating home support worker. Sa first stream, yung home child provider are the people na nagtatrabaho that provides care to children in household. And the second stream naman are those people who provide support and care for the adults, the senior citizens, elderly, and of course, the sick people and disabled. In both cases, the programs is only open to workers who are inside Canada. In the limited number of cases, they will accept applications from people who have lost their status and who worked without authorization in Canada. Kailangan under pa rin sa new public policy. But in almost all cases, you need to be a worker in Canada. There are 2,750 spots for both of these streams. So ang total is almost 5,550 na positions na available sa pilot program na ito. Itong programa po na ito will offer direct permanent residence pathway, which means people will directly become permanent residents and they don't have to acquire a work permit and then become a permanent residence later, which was the case sa mga previous pilots, yung nag-close po nung last year, 2024. Now, in this program, there are 4 eligibility requirements. Kailangan, you need a job offer in an eligible occupation from a Canadian employer. Second, you need recent and relevant work experience or training. Third, language requirement of CLB4 or CLB Level 4 in an English or French language exam. And the fourth one is your education should be at least equal or above a Canadian high school diploma. So, paano po natin yan makikita? Kailangan tayo magpa-assess sa WES or ICAS. Now, let's talk about the full details of the job offer na pinag-uusapan po natin. So, since dalawa po yung program, the home child care provider and the home support worker, in both cases, you need a job offer either from a private household ba yun? That is a family or a company that hires home care providers and sends them to people's households to take care of either children or mga elderly, disabled people. So the employer of if it's a business, they need to maintain an employer-employee relationship with you. They cannot be a recruitment or a placement agency. Now, ang job offer itself ay kailangan po to be either a home child care provider, that's NOC 44100, or NOC 44101. So, ang job offer na nakalagay doon ay my job title, my duties and responsibilities should match one of the NOCs depending on job that is being offered. So, kailangan match. Ano po yung details ng ating eligibility? Since ino-offer na po ito sa workers in Canada only, for now, di ba yun muna, dapat meron kang valid work permit or a maintained status, or you're eligible to work in any occupation under one of the public existing policies. Now, you need to have at least 6 months, di ba sabi? You need to have at least 6 months continuous paid work experience in the past 3 years in a related occupation. So meaning, continuous experience po iyon. Hindi po putol-putol or tagpi-tagpi. Continuous, tuloy-tuloy. And has to be a full-time, at least 30 hours per week. 35 or 40, much better. Now, sa recent experience, ang recent experience na pinag-uusapan dito is means in the last 6 months, and relevant experience means experience in those 2 NOCs for childcare and home support worker. Now, kung wala po kayong 6 months experience, but have a training or education related to caregiving field, pwede naman pong gamitin yun. But this training should be at least 6 months and duration completed with the last 2 years. Full-time training, meaning at least 15 hours of training per week. And kailangan in-person ang klase, hindi po online class, hindi din po on-job training. Kailangan match and related pa din yung training na yon sa NOCs, which is 44100 and 44101. Yun lang po actually ang full details na nagkulang doon sa una nilang announcement. Very detailed na po. And I'm sure this time, ready na po ang mga applicants para sa incoming pilot program na bubuksan ngayong March 31, 2025. So yun lamang po for today's vlog. Thank you for watching, and I hope may na-share po ako tungkol dito sa incoming pilot program ng home care providers. And as a disclaimer, I'm not immigration consultant. Nagbabasa lang po ako sa IRCC website. And I personally po, together with my family kasi, are applying for this. Kaya alam na alam ko at pinag-aaralan ko po ito sa abot ng aking makakaya para po malaman ang qualifications namin for this pilot program. So thank you for watching once again, and God bless everyone. Don't forget to stay happy and be kind to one another. Bye for now. Until then, God bless.